Example 11. Suppose that the output of a certain machine at the Acme Gidget Company is 600 gidgets per day. The output decreases by 8%. What is the new output? Anybody know what a gidget is?
It's a gidget.
It's a. I have no.
Do we know?
It's a gidget.
Wait. An output
A gidget's the same thing as a whatchamadoodle, a thingamabob. Just some useless thing that we're talking about. We're learning a technique and they're making up something. So
it's not even a real
a
thing.
whatchamacallit, you know, a gidget's just some like made up little item that we're trying to create. We could have just said the Acme Calculator Company, they're doing calculators per day, whatever. Just whatever the item is doesn't matter. That's all a gidget is. So the output decreases by 8%. And their usual output is 600 gidgets per day. Again, what usually happens represents the whole amount we're looking for a part. It's an 8% decrease. And if you decrease 8% from 100, what's left over? 92. 92% is what we're going to be looking at. So an 8% decrease means a 92% efficiency, basically. And we want to know what is 92% of their original output of 600 gidgets per day? Question mark. Once again, take the words, create a good sentence. Both these problems, though, the percent they're telling us is not the percent we're using. So be careful. Percent increase, we're taking 100 plus the percent. Percent decrease, we're taking 100 subtracting the percent. All right, each time it's increase or decrease, it establishes what you do to 100%. So, percent proportion, the percent goes over 100. What is, we don't know. Of 600, that goes in the bottom. Is always on top, of always on bottom. Cross multiply. So x times 100 equals 0, 0, 2, carry the 1, 55,200. That should be 100x, right? 100 times x, 600 times 92. Divide both sides by 100.
5.52.
And we get 552 gidgets per day. X equals 552 gidgets per day. Notice I'm using the same unit on their output. The output is that, so whatever unit is on that, that's the same unit on your answer. Again, when units are appropriate, try to put the correct units on your answers. I'm not counting off for it yet, but I will be counting off for it soon, because if you're in this class, your intention should be something in the technical field, and units are important in the technical field. So if you're going to be in construction, electrician, plumbing, nursing, I guess linemen, people who put up the electrical wires, HVAC people, whatever, if you have no units on your work when you're figuring things out, and somebody else reads your work, they don't know whether it's in inches, feet, meters, centimeters, whatever, they can't really use your work. So make sure that we're putting units in everything in these problems, get in that habit.